Hello students of standard 9. Now we will start lesson number 4, constructions of triangles. In this, first construction is to construct a triangle when its base, an angle adjacent to the base, and the sum of the lengths of remaining sides is given. Example is construct triangle ABC in which BC 6.3 centimeter, angle B 75 degree, and AB plus AC 9 centimeter. Now first we will draw rough figures. Triangle ABC is like this, whose base is given 6.3 centimeter and base angle is 75 degree. But sum of other two sides is given 9 centimeter. That's why when we will draw triangle ABC, that time we have to take BD 9 centimeter. Now I will show you how to construct this triangle. First, after drawing a rough figure, we have to draw base BC of 6.3 centimeter. Now see exact measurements. 6.3, 6 is here, after that 0.3, 1, 2, 3, 6.3 is here. Right here BC 6.3 centimeter. Then base angle B is given 75 degree. Use your protractor and draw angle of 75 degree. Now see how to keep this protractor. Zeros line is passing through BC. Start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And 75 means after 70, fifth line is here. So this is angle ABC of 75 degree. Draw this ray. Take here point P. Angle 75 degree. Then sum of two other sides, AB and AC, given 9 centimeter. Then take 9 centimeter distance in your rounder from your ruler. 9 centimeter you can see. This is 9 centimeter. Now keep your rounder on point B and draw one arc here. This point is D. Here is point D. This distance is 9 centimeter. Then join point D and C. Join point D and C. We are getting here triangle TBC. Now using your rounder, draw perpendicular bisector of segment CD. How to draw perpendicular bisector? Keep your rounder on point C. Take more than half distance of it. More than half distance. And draw two arcs on both sides. Then keep your rounder on point D. Draw two more arcs which are intersecting to the first two arcs like this. Now draw a line passing through point of intersections of these arcs. Now here it is perpendicular as well as bisector of CD. Now where this perpendicular bisector is intersecting to BD, here you write point A. This point is A. And now join A with C. Now A is coming on the perpendicular bisector of CD. That's why point A is equidistant from C and D. So this AC and AD are of equal measures or lengths. So in this way we can draw triangle ABC, which is our required triangle, and this is fair figure. And these two are rough figures. Okay. Now by using this first construction, you have to solve practice set 4.1. Example number 1, 2 and 3. This fourth is cancelled. Don't do this. Only first, second and third. These three examples you solve.